right. Hey, how's it going? Thank you guys for tuning in. So what we're going to talk about today is we're going to go over a quick little calculation into options trading, but calculating the gains and the losses on those options. A lot of people have trouble understanding what the premium for that option cost looks like. You know, they log onto their system, they log on wherever they're trading from, their platform, and they'll see something like a bid or a ask for 45 cents or whatever, $3, $60, $80, whatever, $12. But they don't really quite understand because that's a different price than what's reflected on the stock price. And these are two totally different animals. But what we're doing is today, we're going to go into the formula used to calculate that so that you can get an idea of what you're going to make or what your losses would look like. Now, we're going to work on a problem in this formula. We're going to plug some numbers in. However, this is only going to be for the gains on a call. The formula remains the same. You just flip-flop it around if you're going to use for a put. You know what I mean? So you guys, thank you for tuning in, and let's get straight to it. Click that subscribe button and check it out. All right, so we're going to start off here with the problem. We have a problem with the current stock price, and it's going to be $38.36 for our current stock price. And this is how we're going to start the problem out. Now, next we're going to go with buying the option. So we're going to buy the option, and the strike price for that option is going to be $40. For the sake of the video, we're only going to calculate one option for this problem, even though they come in contracts of 100. So that's full disclosure. We have an expiration date. We're going to go with December 20th, 2021. That's just going to give us an idea when we're looking at our options play there on our platform. So this example stock, right, is currently trading at $46.12. Now that's up from the current stock, or the current stock price when we bought it was $38.36, but it's now trading at $46.12. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to calculate the gains in dollars, right? That's what we're going to be doing here. And how we're going to do that is we're going to have a formula. So it's the formula. Strike price is going to be $40. This is going to be our value. We're going to write out like a little legend, and we're going to do some good algebra here. Okay, so our strike price $40. Our bid is $1.44, and when you are getting these options and you're calculating, you're pretty much going with the higher price will be for the ask, and selling will always be at the lowest for the bid. So our bid is 144, ask is 148. As far as the formula, okay, so here we go. We have gain equals max. Stock, that's going to be our stock price, okay? Current stock price. So we have our stock price, which is trading at $46.12, minus our strike price of $40, and 0 minus the premium, okay? So once we start plugging the numbers in, you're going to see our numbers are going to look like this. This is how our formula is going to look. We'll start plugging them in. So we have our stock, right? So our stock price is going to be the $46.12. That's where we plug that in because that's what it's currently trading at. So our current trade is at $46.12 minus the strike price, what was our strike price? So let's go up here to the legend. So our strike price, you remember, that's what we called on our option. We selected a strike price of 40. So we enter that in. So we have 46.12 minus 40 to the 0, close parentheses, minus the premium. What was our premium price? Well, it was our ask, $1.48. And we just start breaking it down. 612 minus $1.48 equates to $4.64. And that will be our options gain. And you will do the necessary multiplication to get your final price in a real trade. 464. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's just a quick formula so that you can calculate your options, your plays, your gains. I didn't want to go into the puts because I want you guys to focus on the gains. That's what we're aiming for. That's what we want. Plug those values in, get that calculation down, and you will start winning. You will have a better idea of how to trade, how to calculate. So I'm glad you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, comment, let me know what I can do better, and see you guys soon.